Hey there, I'm Sarah with WTI. Do you need to protect your joints from strain during your push-ups? So this is a set of Perfect Push-Up grips. They are anti-slip and they rotate really smoothly. These are going to keep your weight distributed evenly during your push-up. My husband really likes these because not only does it give him the angle he wants and protects his wrists and his elbows, he likes the fact that he can rotate them so easily. So depending on where he wants his arms or hands placed, he can smoothly move that throughout his workout. So they're really simple to use. These push-up grips have a 400-pound capacity, and that anti-slip bottom makes them the perfect addition to your home gym. So if you are doing push-ups and you're worried about having good support for your joints, protecting your wrists and your elbows, we highly recommend this set, Perfect Push-Up grips, because they move smoothly, they give you just the right amount of support, but they have that anti-slip bottom so you're not going to slide around while you're doing your push-ups. And that is my point of view.